It's David, and I just wanted to give you a quick little update, supplemental video for one of my older videos called Sun to Sun Epicyclic Gearing. And I had a lot of really good questions from people, uh, several of them related to the idea of when you have a gearbox like this, where you have here's one sun gear and another sun gear, and the sun gears have different tooth counts. Gosh, how do you make a compound planet line up? Well, the answer, as some people mentioned, the answer is you really have to have different tooth sizes between the top and the bottom of the gear, or the different sides of the gear. The tooth size has to change for that compound planet to be able to share a shaft. So, gosh, how do I calculate that? Well, here's an example that I hope you can use to calculate your own. In this example, we have one sun gear. It's got 50 teeth and a module of 1, and it's meshed with a planet that has 10 teeth and a module of 1. And across on the other side, we have a sun gear that has 40 teeth, and it has a module of 1.2 and a planet of 10 teeth and module of 1.2. So where did that 1.2 come from? Well, I set up a situation, a little equation of proportionality down here, and what I did was I just said, look at the one side of the gear. If you say 50 teeth plus 10 teeth times modulus of 1, that has to equal the other side, which is 40 teeth times 10 teeth. And you can solve that equation and you get a modulus of 1.2. It works out that way because basically the modulus, it's related to the teeth count and it's related to the diameter of the pitch circle. So all things being equal, you can just go ahead and add the modulus and times it by, add the teeth and times it by the modulus. That has to equal the teeth count over here times the modulus. I hope that makes sense. I hope that helps. Have fun. Gosh, I think this is such a fun kind of gearbox because it lets you print a very strong, high multiplication gearbox out of plastic. So it's really useful for 3D printed robots and stuff like that. I hope you have a great time, and I'd love to hear from you more. Thank you. Bye.